Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for anyone living with rheumatoid arthritis: diet. In this video, we review the best types of foods you'll want to incorporate into an anti-inflammatory diet and some simple tips to help you create a diet that supports your health and happiness. Living with RA can be challenging, but making the right dietary choices can make a world of difference in managing your symptoms and improving your overall well-being. Arthritis affects millions of people worldwide, and while there is no cure for it, there are many ways to manage its symptoms and improve quality of life. One of the biggest pillars of arthritis treatment is weight and load management, which includes both weight loss and diet. Whether you're newly diagnosed or have been living with RA for years, this video is packed with valuable information that you won't want to miss. Maintaining a stable, healthy diet is essential for those living with rheumatoid arthritis, RA, for several reasons. Chronic pain and inflammation can sometimes feel overwhelming, potentially leading to undernourishment and other medical complications. However, by adopting a healthy diet, you can take charge of your overall health, manage your weight, boost your energy levels, improve your mental health, and strengthen your immune system. While diet alone cannot cure RA symptoms, making the right dietary choices can go a long way in enhancing your overall well-being and helping you feel better. Although there isn't a direct link between diet and RA, research suggests that certain foods can help modulate the inflammation experienced in RA. Foods that are highly processed or cooked at high temperatures tend to increase inflammation. On the other hand, incorporating more anti-inflammatory foods into your diet, such as fruits, veggies, and cold water fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, may help alleviate inflammatory symptoms and reduce flare-ups. Before making any dietary changes, it's essential to consult your doctor to ensure you're making choices that support your overall medical health. As we've always been taught, the best diets are well balanced. A healthy diet should consist of 2/3 plant-based foods, including plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Creating a proper diet for RA follows the same principle. By focusing on consuming lots of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and limiting your intake of lean meats and processed foods, you can better manage your RA symptoms and support your overall health. Managing rheumatoid arthritis, RA, can be significantly impacted by the right diet. According to arthritis.org, studies have demonstrated that certain foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and phytochemicals can help alleviate RA symptoms by reducing inflammation. One particularly promising diet is the Mediterranean-style diet. This diet emphasizes plenty of fruits, vegetables, fish, olive oil, unrefined grains, nuts, seeds, and beans. It also includes moderate amounts of poultry, dairy, and eggs, while minimizing red meats, processed foods, and unhealthy fats. Research indicates that adhering to a Mediterranean-style diet can lead to improvements in pain, morning stiffness, physical function, and reduced markers of inflammation in the blood. If you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. Your support means a lot to us. Now back to our subject. The omega-3 fatty acids found in cold water fish like salmon, sardines, and tuna are particularly beneficial due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, extra virgin olive oil, a key component of the Mediterranean diet, has been shown to help control chronic inflammation and reduce joint cartilage damage. In addition to the Mediterranean diet, specific foods have demonstrated benefits for RA patients. Blueberries, fish, strawberries, and spinach are often reported to help alleviate RA symptoms, while desserts and sugary drinks are best avoided. Green tea, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, may also offer benefits to some individuals with inflammatory arthritis. Studies have indicated that a vegetarian diet combined with intermittent fasting can help reduce pain, morning stiffness, and inflammatory biomarkers. Furthermore, a high-fiber diet has been shown to lower levels of C-reactive protein, or CRP, in the blood, a marker of inflammation associated with RA and other inflammatory forms of arthritis. Therefore, including plenty of whole grains and legumes like oatmeal, brown rice, beans, and barley in your diet is advisable. By making these simple dietary adjustments, you can help alleviate your RA symptoms and improve your overall health and well-being. Patients with RA face an increased risk of malnutrition for several reasons. Firstly, weight loss is a common symptom in RA patients. It is believed to be due to the autoimmune condition itself, which triggers inflammatory responses and increases the metabolic rate. While this might lead to weight loss, it's not the healthy kind. In fact, it can leave patients undernourished or malnourished. Secondly, many patients taking methotrexate, a common disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drug, or DMARD, are known to have deficiencies in certain vitamins and minerals. RA medications often cause side effects like stomach ulcers and digestive concerns, making it hard to eat properly. When combined with weight loss, these conditions exacerbate the problem of malnutrition in patients. Some of the most common nutrient deficiencies in RA include a lack of the following vitamins and minerals are vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, calcium, folic acid, magnesium, and selenium. A proper diet for RA, rich in these vitamins and minerals, is essential for keeping patients healthy and feeling their best. Finally, many RA patients are at risk of developing osteoporosis, a weakening of the bones caused by calcium or vitamin D deficiency. But here's the good news. RA patients can take charge of their bone health by making sure their diet includes plenty of calcium and vitamin D. While getting your nutrients from food is always best, sometimes supplements are necessary. They can provide extra nutrition to patients who aren't getting enough vitamins and minerals from their diet alone. Always talk to your doctor or rheumatologist before taking any nutritional supplements. Some may interact with your current medications and cause serious side effects. Your doctor can advise you on which supplements are safe for you. Following a specific diet like paleo, Mediterranean, or gluten-free can be challenging. But the most important thing is to focus on eating more of the good stuff, fruits, vegetables, and fish, and less of the bad stuff, processed foods and red meats. Here are some general tips for a healthy RA diet. Load up on fruits and vegetables. Choose healthy whole grains, beans, and lentils. Stay active with regular exercise. Avoid processed foods and chemical preservatives. Cut back on refined sugars. Drink alcohol in moderation. Enjoy a variety of healthy foods. If you want to learn more about how to improve your RA symptoms through diet, talk to your doctor. They can help you make the best choices for your health and well-being. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on managing rheumatoid arthritis and living your healthiest life. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. And remember, your journey to better health starts with small positive changes, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.